Hey, guess what I got for you guys?
What?
I got you a piece of string.
Yay!
And I got you a piece of string, Booty.
Really?
Yeah.
Mommy.
What you gonna do with it?
I'm gonna make a necklace. I'm gonna make a bracelet. Some shoestrings.
Oh.
Ponytail. And if you gave us
What you gonna do with yours?
I'm happy. What am I gonna do with mine?
Yeah.
That's a long way.
I'm gonna make a belt that ties up in the knot.
Do you love your present?
Yeah, I love it. Oh my God, it's so amazing. Mommy wanted it. Yeah. No, hungry. I said no hungry. It's too much joy.
I hope I did. Hey, guess what I got for you today?
What'd you get?
I got you a shower cap.
What color did you get?
Take it. I got you a shower cap.
Thank you, Mommy.
Yay.
I love shower caps.
Oh, good. I'm glad you like it. Don't Mommy make you happy?
I might wear this to school.
Y'all so sweet. Mommy
I wish
loves
I could
you.
make you happy. Mommy.
You can. Give me something nice. Just give me something nice.
Okay. Mommy, Jebe, I'm so hungry. Are you hungry? Yeah. I wonder what's for dinner. Mommy!
Hey, y'all hungry?
Yeah.
I got some dinner for you.
What is it?
It's a nice little carrot.
Yes.
Oh, you
A
got
carrot? I wonder what I get.
you get a carrot
I
too.
a carrot, little baby carrot. Look.
Yay!
Like
See, you can't say Mommy didn't feed you.
Mommy did feed us. It's been a week.
Oh, see, Mommy loves you.
We haven't eaten in like a week.
I know.
Mommy loves me.
I can't wait to get something nice.
a knife and cut us yet. This is for my
Aw.
birthday.
Happy birthday, baby. Love you.
Love you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hey, Mom.
Yes, what you got for me?
We got you a present.
Let me see.
You said to make you happy, so we got you this.
What you get? What the fuck is that?
You don't like it?
After all the shit that I gave y'all, this is what you give me?
Yeah.
A 60-inch TV?
I thought you liked it.
I thought you guys loved me.
I love you, Mommy. You
guys are the-
nice stuff. I thought you liked it.
We're trying to give you this nice, beautiful TV.
You know what? You guys are on punishment because I went out of my way and got you everything that you wanted, and this is what you give me. This sucks.